Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today we got more van fixes to do. My master cylinder, brake master cylinder, is leaking. Danny boy, bless his little heart, has done all my brakes, and he flushed the fluid out and replaced the fluid and all that kind of thing. Noticed that the level is dropping, but nothing is leaking anywhere visibly around the van, and obviously when he investigated, he discovered that the master cylinder is leaking. So we've ordered one, and we're going to go get it, and he's going to fix it for me today because he's a legend. Now I'm looking at the fuel prices. £1.39 over there on petrol, not diesel. Yeah, that's gone up about 7p I think over the last week. Which is quite a lot. There's no queue at the petrol station, so I do need to get petrol. I'm down to, what are we down to? That much. So I'm going to need to get some soon. I've got some miles to do this week. So, but the issue is I've got to buy this master cylinder. We're going to go down and pick that up. So I want to make sure I've got enough money for that and for new fluid and everything to get that done, because that's kind of urgent. And then whatever money I've got left, I can put in the fuel tank. So I've got enough to get the Danny boys, no problem. He's only up the road. So yeah, I'll talk to you probably after, because nobody wants to see it really. So see you in a bit. There's old Danny boy doing my master cylinder. While he's doing that, I'm going to be painting his oven. All rubbed down, ready to go. Right, it is the next day. Job is done. Well done, Danny boy, legend. We did notice that CV boot that we replaced in, I think it was September last year, is perishing again. That's what you get when you buy cheap rubbish. Although I don't think it was that cheap, but anyway, so that's going to need doing. So poor Danny. There's another job for you to do, mate. But we'll get to that. I'll leave him alone for a little bit. And the oven situation was the paint didn't dry, and it's supposed to be fast drying paint, and it was hours and hours and hours, and it was still dry. So I had to leave it, and I'll have to go back and finish that. And I'm not sure whether it's because of the weather or not. I don't know if you've noticed, or in your part of the world or your part of the country, that we've got this like really weird mist. It's like a scene from Silent Hill, if you know what that is. And it's playing havoc with me. My breathing is really bad, and I've got a headache all the time. So I'm not much of a conspiracy theorist, but nothing surprises me anymore in this world. It just feels like, I don't know, like I'm being poisoned or something. But anyway, so I feel absolutely rotten today. And I still didn't get petrol, so I don't know whether it's gone up anymore. Maybe I should have got it yesterday, but I do definitely need to get it today, because we've got a drive to do tonight to get to the next place for Tracy's work. But what I'm doing now is I'm trying to clean the van up, and I'm going to do something which I've kind of been ignoring for a while, and I'm going to play some blimmin' guitar, because I'm a guitarist, used to be a professional guitarist, singer, stroke, blah blah blah, and my lovely wife bought me a gorgeous present so I can do that. And that is one of these. This is a Positive Grid Spark Go, and it doesn't look like much, but there's like a million guitar amp sounds in that, which is awesome. And I've got my trusty old guitar, my beater that I carry around, so I'm going to play some guitar. Yeah, I wish I could do that all day, but I can't. I've got work to do, and when I mean about work, Dinky Sinks and Things is progressing forwards, and we've got some new stock, and I've got a new demonstration piece I'll show you in a second, and we're getting ready for some festivals and things like that, so I need to get the website finished. And also I've got to get the charity moving again as well, Guitars for All, because we donate guitars to people that need guitars and things like that, and people have been sending me bits and bobs to build guitars, and it's just having time. And I tell you what, doing van life is great, we love it and all that stuff, but it's a time sucker. It really is. If it's not van repairs that need doing, you're driving all the time, you've got to get your water, you've got to do this, blah blah blah, it does take up a lot more time. But things are going to develop in the future soon, and we're going to have more time, and things are going to get done. I don't know who I'm trying to convince here, me or you. Me. Anyway, so this is what we got over at Dinky Sinks HQ. Check this out. Now, that is one of our demonstration pieces. The rest of it's not actually for sale. It's only the sink that's for sale at the moment. The unit and everything was mocked together with the running water and everything, just so we could show it working at the festivals and stuff like that. So that's what I've been doing. When I've had time to do anything at all, that's what I've been doing. But I've got like a load of sinks to build coming up. So I'll keep you informed of how that's going, if you're interested. Anyway, it's something of a nothing video, this one. I didn't really know what to do on this video, so I just kind of like just film bits and bobs. And, I don't know, day in the life, if you like, of a van lifer trying to get by in life. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just, my head is blowing, boom, kaboom, kaboom. And I can't seem to shake it. We need some sunshine. We need this mist to lift, as it were. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. God bless you and all that good stuff. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what else to say, really, except here's the jingle!
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this thing called amazing grace, no chance will break.